How to Make Money Online for Beginners, Part 0. What I should have started with. I can't believe I messed this up, y'all, but that's what happens. The number one thing you need to check before you do anything else is your mindset. And it will be something you will work on through the entire process of learning how to make money online. Once you begin to make money online, your mind will open more and more, the more opportunities that you see and the more opportunities that you can grasp. Excuse me. I know this because I've had to work through all these things the hard way. I've had to overcome those hurdles, and I will talk about one of those hurdles very soon. We'll look for the video about grocery products and Amazon selling in my content, and I will talk about that. I haven't made that video yet. I've talked about it before, different places. I've talked at conferences and things, but your mind will unlock so many things. If you believe you can't or you believe you can, you are correct. And so therefore, if you focus on the good and you focus on learning a new skill and you focus on moving forward slowly, because that's what happens, unless you pay for somebody to take you fast, which is doable too, but still some lessons you have to learn on your own. Those mindset shifts are so important that I should have started with mindset. Mindset is the bottom line for moving forward in these places. And you know that cartoon video that's out on the internet where the guy is like picking at a cave with that axe and he's trying to find the diamonds on the other side of the wall and he's almost there and he's going to give up? That is totally true. When you try to learn something new, you are going to have more setbacks than you want to have. You are going to find frustrations, and you just have to take a moment, take a breath, fix your mind on success, fix your mind on what you are trying to learn, and then move forward into success. Celebrate every small win, celebrate everything that you're doing, and even if you have a failure, celebrate that because you are learning what not to do.